Take a look at these videos. They're pulling in millions of views on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and many creators are growing their pages incredibly fast with simple handmade paper art. Whether it's colorful paper crafts, satisfying DIY projects, or realistic miniature creations, people love watching them because the whole process is relaxing, creative, and satisfying from start to finish. I've already prepared a master template prompt for you. You'll find the Google Docs link in the video description. This template is designed to generate high-quality prompts specifically for papercraft videos, so you don't have to write everything from scratch every time. At the end of the document, you'll also find a universal prompt. All you have to do is replace the name of the object, animal, or any subject you want to create, and the prompt will automatically adapt to generate a detailed result in the same style. First, open ChatGPT, then open the Google Docs file and copy the entire master template prompt. Since it's a long prompt, make sure you copy every line before pasting it into ChatGPT. Once you've pasted it, click Generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 different papercraft video ideas. Go through the list and pick the one you like the most. For this example, I'm choosing the first idea. Now copy that idea, paste it back into ChatGPT, and generate again. This time, ChatGPT will create two things for you: a detailed storyboard image prompt that shows the complete crafting process, a step-by-step video generation prompt based on that storyboard. Once both prompts are ready, you're all set for the next step. Now open Google Gemini AI. Copy the storyboard image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. Then click Generate. After a short wait, Gemini will create a detailed storyboard image that shows the entire paper crafting process in one image. Every stage is arranged clearly, making it easy to follow and giving you a perfect visual reference for the final video. When it's finished, download the storyboard image because we'll use it in the next step. Next, open Flow AI. Upload the storyboard image you downloaded from Gemini. Once the image is uploaded, then click the three dots on the uploaded image and choose Add to Prompt. This uses the storyboard as a visual reference for the video. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video generation prompt, and paste it into Flow AI. Click Generate. Your project will appear on the dashboard, and the status will change to Generating. It usually only takes a short time, and that's it. Your paper crafting video is ready. Creating more videos is just as easy. Go back to ChatGPT, choose another idea from the list, and generate it. ChatGPT will again give you a storyboard image prompt and a video generation prompt. Take the storyboard prompt to Gemini and generate a new storyboard image. Download it, upload it to Flow AI. Your next papercraft video will be ready. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Just pick a new idea each time, follow the same workflow, and you'll keep creating fresh, high-quality paper crafting videos with a consistent style. Here are a few examples I created using this exact method. That's everything for this tutorial. I hope it helped you understand the complete workflow from beginning to end. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.